Hey guys, in this video we're going to go about order of operations with rational numbers. So that's more of your decimals and your fractions and your positives and negatives. So remember, order of operations is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And remember, you got to multiply, divide, left to right. Okay. So looking at this first one, remember, I always underline each step and then do the work. I am going to add a new slide. I went to insert new slide just for my kind of scratch work, and you can do that on paper if you'd rather. So first in the parentheses, we've got 10.3 plus negative 6.08. Different sign, subtract. So we're going to do 10.3 minus 6.08. Okay. Can't do that. 2, 10, 2, 2, 10, 4. So that's going to be 4 and 22 hundredths. It is negative because keep the sign to the larger number. Bring everything down. Negative 1.5 minus. Oh, the larger here, this should be positive because 10.3 is larger. So now we're going to divide 28.5 divided by 1.5. Slide, baby, slide, and raise the roof. So 285 divided by 15 goes in one time. 13 left over, bring down the 5, goes in 9 times. 0 left over, so the answer is 19, and it's negative 1.5, so it's negative 19 minus 4.22. Gonna do a little keep, change. Okay, now it's same signs, add and keep. It's gonna be 19 plus 4.22. It's gonna be 2, 2. It's going to be 23.22. Same signs, add and keep. Okay, if you need to pause the video, pause it so you understand, make sure you follow along. Okay, so for this one, I would go fractions because it's all fractions. So start with what's in the parentheses. I'm going to insert my new slide. So I'm going to add 2 and 2/3 plus 1 and 1/2. Common denominator of 6 becomes 4 6 and 3 6, which is 7 6. 3 and 7 6, which is 4 and 1 6. Okay. Okay, so we need to multiply. So 2 over 1 times 4 and 1 6. 2 over 1 times, make this improper, 25 over 6. I'm going to cross simplify, make that a 1, make that a 3. 25 over 3. 25 divided by 3. Okay, goes in times 8 and 1/3, and it's going to be negative 8 and 1/3 because of the negative 2. Okay, now different sign, subtract. I'm going to add another slide real quick. So it's going to be 8 and 1/3 minus 3 and 1/2. Again, get your common denominators. 2 6, 3 6. I can't do 2 minus 3, so I need to borrow. 6 plus 2 is 8 6. 8 minus 3 is 5 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. It's going to be negative 4 and 5 6 is our answer, because the 8 was negative. Okay. For this next one, start with what's in the parentheses. That's going to be 3.4. So different sign subtract 6.35 minus 3.40. Okay, so it's going to be negative because the 6 is negative. Okay, so this squared is kissing, the 2 is kissing the parentheses. So it's going to be negative 3 times negative 3, which is going to be positive 9, times negative 2.95. We're going to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 9 plus 1. Oh, I should be timesing it by 9 and not 3. Don't listen to me. I guess you should listen to me. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 9 plus that is 8, plus 4 is 85. 9 times 2 plus 8 is 26. Move the decimal over twice. We get 26.55. And keep this, 1 positive, 1 negative. Therefore, your answer is negative. Okay. The next one, we're going to start with our exponent. And the 2 is just kissing the 2, so it's the opposite of 2 times 2. So that's going to be negative 4 divided by negative 5 plus 1.6 times negative 5. Okay. Divide 4 over 5, which is 0 and 8/10. You can divide that out. And it's going to be positive because it's a negative and a negative. We're going to multiply 1.6 times 5. We're going to get 8. So it's 0.8 plus negative 8 because of that negative 5. Different sign subtract. We're going to get 7.2, and it's negative 7.2. Keep the sign to the larger. I'm going to definitely need another slide for this one. Okay, so for here, it's got those straight lines, which are absolute value. So you need to do what's in the absolute value bars first. Kind of think of that as your parentheses. And then solve it, and then everything inside of it becomes positive. So first step is here. Okay, so we need to change negative 4 and 5/8 minus 1.75. 5/8, your decimal and your 0, 6 times, 2 times, not 0, goes in 5 times. So it is negative 4.625. Okay, so I'm going to do keep, change, change. Same signs, add and keep. Okay, 6.375, it is going to be negative. Okay, now it is going to be, we're going to do this different sign subtract. So 6.375 minus 2 7/75, or 750 thousandths, because it's 3/4. 5, 2, 6, 3. And then keep the sign of the larger, which was negative. So it's negative 3.625. And then that inside the absolute value bars becomes positive, and then the opposite of that is negative. Okay, I'm going to add another slide. And I'm going to multiply 3.625 times 1.5. Tic-tac-toe. One, two, three, 4 places behind the decimal. 5.4375. And then it's negative and negative, so it's a positive. Okay. Make sure you show all the work for that. So this next one, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. Slide, baby, slide. Slide, baby, slide twice. So it's 40 divided by 8, which is 5. But then it's negative 5 to the third power. So negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25 times negative 5 is negative 125. Watch that with to the third power. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day.